Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and creamy chicken butter masala. Let's get started. Step 1. In a pan, heat some oil and add sliced onions. Sauté them until they turn translucent. Step 2. Add ginger and garlic paste and sauté for a minute until the raw smell goes away. Step 3. Add diced tomatoes and cook them until they turn soft and mushy. Step 4. Add spices such as turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and garam masala. Mix well and cook for a minute. Step 5. Once the spices are well mixed, add boneless chicken pieces to the pan. Mix well and let the chicken cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Step 6. In a separate pan, melt butter and add it to the chicken mixture. Mix well and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Step 7. Add cream to the pan and mix it well. Let the chicken cook for another 5 to 7 minutes on low heat. Step 8. Garnish with fresh coriander